Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick review and a demo on the convertible base, and this is by T3. So there are 7 different barrels that you can put and use with this, so I found that to be really cool. You have lots of different options, so if you want to see all the different curls, then just keep on watching. When inserting the barrel, you want to make sure that it's lined up correctly, and once it's lined up, then you can just push it in all the way. Then over here there is a little lock that's open and then a lock that's closed, so then you just want to turn it and then that ensures that it's locked. This is the power on and off button, so you just hold it down just to turn it on, and then afterwards when you're done using, you just hold it down to turn it off. So once it's turned on, there are 5 different heat settings. So if you double click it, then you can choose what heat setting you want. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And then since I have selected 5, then it's just going to blink, and then now it's just going to heat up. And then when it's done lighting up, then that lets you know that it's finally on that heat setting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this to be helpful. And if you want any more information, just check the description box below. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!